Oh my god. Being grounded sucks. I wish I can get a revenge on my parents and my older sister Anna for always grounding me. I got a great idea. I'm going to flood the house. Ha 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 ha. Now to swim away before I get caught.
Oh no. The house is flooded.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, the house is flooded. Now I'm all wet, and I hope Slade is okay. Wait a minute, it must be Slade. He must have flooded the house. I'm going to tell Mom and Dad about this. Mom and Dad, do you know who caused the house to be flooded? Slade.
Oh my god. He will be in trouble. Come on Anna and Paula, let's swim to outside and get Slade in trouble, and he is so grounded.
Okay.
Oh my god. Slade, how dare you flood the house?
That's it. You are grounded for 1 month.
Stay outside until the flood is ended, and then go upstairs to your room right now.
Bye.